Hello everyone! You can download these titles by following the link in the description, and in this video I will show you how to use them. We have prepared clip in the timeline. We go to the window menu and choose Essential Graphics. After that, in the Essential Graphics menu, we click Install Motion Graphics Template icon. And we choose these titles that we have downloaded from the link in the description. For example, title number 1. We click Open. I have already imported all 5 titles from this folder. Just drag and drop title number 1 on the timeline. Choose our title. And in the Essential Graphics panel you can click Edit and re-edit all the texts. For example, you can write whatever you want in the text number 1, text number 2 and text number 3 fields. After we have wrote our texts, it will immediately appear in the project. And we can edit colors of our texts. For example, text 1 color we choose red. And colors of these lines we choose blue. This way you can edit all the titles that you have downloaded from the link in the description. Thank you for your attention. There will be donation link in the description of this video. I would be very pleased if you would support the channel. Subscribe to the channel, like the video and have a nice day.